I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. God has appointed me as a Mother of the World for looking after entire the world. Regularly, God is calling us for special meeting at His house. His house is upper of 7 worlds. Today, early in the morning, during our special meeting, God has given a great message for entire human beings. So, I am now on service to convey this great message for benefit of entire human beings. Some important noble duties allotted by God as per present circumstances in some countries during coronavirus situations. This message came from House of the God through myself, designated by God as a Mother of the World. During meeting with God, He teaches us and gives some valuable powers for solving problems among some countries, as we can see here. Through Planets Union platform, by getting helps of our peace-loving devotees in America and China, and both governments, we have solved the estimated war between America and China. Through Planets Union's platform, by getting helps of our peace-loving devotees in India and China, and both governments, we have solved estimated war due to border issues between India and China. Through Planets Union platform, by getting helps of our peace-loving devotees in India and Nepal, and both governments, we have success to solve border issues by table talk between India and Nepal. Through Planets Union platform, by getting help of our peace-loving devotees in India and Pakistan, and both governments, we are constant trying to solve the issue of Kashmir peacefully by table talk. We are very near to solve that without any destructions and losses from both countries' sides. God has established this beautiful Planets Union platform and given some noble duties to His selected souls for run this beautiful world smoothly, peacefully, harmoniously, and achieve development for happiness to all living beings in the beautiful world. Me, Swami Vishwanand, as designated as the Mother of the World for looking after for entire beautiful world. We 10 crores peace-loving devotees has given duties as per qualifications having with them. We will not from now allowed to any countries exercise wars with among any countries. We are convincing all countries to stop producing war weapons, bombs, chemicals and biological weapons, fighter planes and helicopters. We are also convincing all countries to make their defense budget zero and utilize this money for welfare, foods, clothes, houses, and best infrastructure in their countries. We are also convincing all countries to utilize all types of their security forces for productive uh, and positive purposes, so people can get best foods, clothes, houses, and best living standards. We are working for making unity among all types of people working in all types of organizations from all countries. We also feel love and God's name in all hearts of all people of the world. So we welcome with our humble prayers through 10 crores peace loving people to entire humanity. Let us all join and unitedly work together for giving happiness to all living beings in the world. You can contact for share your experiences, suggestions, ideas, willingness to work together with all 10 crores peace loving people on the platform of Planets Union. We welcome you. You can contact myself, Swami Vishwanand, now designated as a Mother of the World. My contact number, it is also the WhatsApp number as per Indian code +91 9898 375 375. Repeating this number, my contact number as per India code +91 9898 375 375. I am and my colleagues, 10 crores peace loving devotees, are praying to all human beings. Hey God, please make all humanity healthy, wealthy, and happiness, and pull all mankind from recently coronavirus situations. God bless to all people of the world. Thank you. We will meet from time to time, and I will convey the such spiritual message for benefit of all human beings in the world. We will meet from time to time. All the best of luck. God bless.